Hello, this is my first video in English, so I hope you gonna understand me and understand my English. I'm gonna today show you how to make a pillow using Blender 3D. As you see in our scene, there is nothing over there, and I'm gonna add a plane, okay, and move it up over there. Then I hit tab in keyboard to enter the edit mode. Then I click on select face to select the upper one over there. Then I hit and I click on E to extrude it a little bit like that. Then click A to select the whole plane, and from the menu edge click on subdivide and change the number of the cuts to 20 like that. Hit tab again to go back to object mode. We go here in the right menu and we click here, click here, and then click on close here and scroll down till you reach to pressure. Click it, change the number of the pressure to 3 and scroll down again to gravity and change it to 0 like that, and click here. See, this is what's happening. Okay, you can stop it once you found your pillow looks like what you want, and you can just go back if you don't wanna, like that, using the like that. Okay, I found it perfect. Alright, see. Okay, I wanted it to look some smooth. I right click on your right click, shade smooth, and here we go, a pillow. Like you see. I hope I teach you something today. Don't you forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day. Bye bye.